Good day, Dr. Mahadi, Dr. Maznah, respectful lecturers, and my fellow classmates. So, my name is Poorani Kannan, and today I'm going to do my presentation for the class BOI 401 on scientific writing entitled Phytoliths of family Orchidaceae, an overview. Phytoliths are produced by plants. They are non-crystalline solids of amorphous, biogenic, soluble silicon dioxides. In today, we are entering the period of expanding applications for phytolith research and studies. So what does it mean? If you see here, since 2001 till 2018, there is a full interdisciplinary cluster of phytoliths literature which is shown in this study by Rashid et al. In the 2019, whereby they did the automated content analysis. So, in this booming interdisciplinary era, phytoliths, which are known of having a variety of taxonomic precisions, whereby some can be species specific and some can be plainly redundant. So this phytolith research can be very prone to misinterpretations. More and more phytolith studies are needed for more precise identification of the phytoliths and to apply this knowledge of phytolith in further studies. Thus, in this review, we are to see the current status of phytolith studies in the family Orchidaceae as an overview. The family Orchidaceae is under the group of monocotyledons, but then it is a non-commelinid. So, commelinids are the famous one known for phytolith producing plants. But this is the only non-commelinid known of phytolith production. The subfamilies of Vanilloideae and Orchinoideae are absent of phytoliths, whereas the subfamily of Epidendroideae has the most phytoliths. In the family of Orchidaceae, the phytoliths which are developed in the stigmata are diagnostic to that family, and it is in some cases even species specific. Thus, a character of orchid phytolith development is the development of these phytoliths in the stigmata. Stigmata is a specialized cell which functions to contain silica bodies, and this is usually around the vascular bundle. Till date, the phytoliths of family Orchidaceae are mostly conical and spherical in shape in general. As a conclusion, I would like to say that more studies are indeed needed for the family Orchidaceae. In this interdisciplinary era of phytolith research and study, more studies are indeed needed in order to decipher this phytolith information for further applications using this phytolith knowledge. And this is also the case for the family Orchidaceae. Maybe family Orchidaceae is not that important in terms of phytolith production compared to other families such as the Poaceae family, which are the grains family, but then it is equally important because it helps in deciphering information of other phytoliths from other plants, because there are a conflict which might arise due to overlapping between phytoliths, and if there is a lack of information for the family Orchidaceae, we might not know whether it is really the family Orchidaceae's phytolith or another plant family's phytolith. Moreover, the taxonomic categorization in today's era are always advancing very fast, and the phytolith data of family Orchidaceae need to compete with the data available in the current era's taxonomic categorization of the orchid plants. And at last, there are always factors that affects the development of phytoliths in the plants, and due to this there might be biases that might happen due to environmental factors and soil acidic factors. And only with more studies on the family Orchidaceae we can know that the phytolith data that we obtain for family Orchidaceae is actually the data for family Orchidaceae, or is it due to a bias of other factors. As for me personally, why I chose this topic to do a review is because the family Orchidaceae has a special place in my heart, because these orchids are indeed a very important flower crop in Malaysia, and I believe that an extensive phytolith database in the family of Orchidaceae can help us in many ways. Thank you for listening to my presentation.